Hi, so now we're working on meal 3. This is going to be our grilled chicken and bacon paninis, and it's going to be served with a quick chilled pasta salad. Just buy any box kit that looks good to you and just prepare it according to the package directions. Now while our pasta salad's cooking, I'm just going to whittle on our chicken breast a little bit because we're making these nice thin panini sandwiches. I don't want the chicken to be so thick on them, so I'm just basically going to cut them down into smaller sections. Then I'm going to get these chicken cooked off, and I'm going to start showing you how to cook off the bacon too. A very simple, easy way to cook bacon. So I've got my pasta salad done. I'm just going to get that into a container. I'm going to get it in the fridge to chill while I'm making my paninis. Alright, so for our panini sandwiches, first thing I want to do is I want to get all that chicken cooking. I got a really hot skillet here. I'm just going to get all this browned off. While that's browning, I'm going to show you a quick way to make bacon. So you're going to need 2 pieces of bacon per panini. I just take parchment paper, lay it out on a sheet pan, just spread out your bacon. It's okay if they overlap a little bit. I use a thick cut bacon. I'm just going to put this in the oven and I'm going to bake it off. What I like about baking it on the parchment paper is that you don't have such a mess to clean up your pan when you're done. Also, you don't have to babysit it while it's cooking. It'll just cook nice and flat here. You can turn it over about halfway through the cooking time if you would like. All right, so I've got everything here to make my panini sandwiches. I got the loaf of bread, $1 for the whole loaf. We're gonna use the ends. You can go ahead and use the ends like this for your rustic Polish sausage bake. Now I'm just gonna, on the slices of bread, I'm just buttering them, putting them butter side down. I'm just making 3 sandwiches. I just got a family of 3. All right. Next, I'm going to put Dijon mayonnaise on the sandwiches. Just a little bit of that. Just basically Dijon, mustard, and mayonnaise mixed together. And one without. We have a 4-year-old. Gonna sprinkle some cheese on there. Start loading up our chicken and our bacon. All right, so now I've got my paninis done. I just put this bacon press on there. I'm just gonna move it around throughout the cooking time. That's gonna press our sandwiches down since, you know, not all of us can afford a $1,000 panini press. If you don't have a bacon press, you can just put another sheet pan on top and put something like a cast iron skillet, something that's oven safe. Just put it directly on top and let it bake. All right, so our paninis are 3/4 of the way through their cooking time. So we're just gonna flip those over and we're gonna pop them back in just for a couple more minutes. All right, so our paninis just came out of the oven. We've got our chilled pasta salad here. I put some cucumber slices, some baby carrots on there. Just gonna put one of our panini sandwiches right here. And that is done. Delicious.